This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So let's get started. To begin, we must select the cell in which we would like to display the sum of the values in the first row. Once this is done, we can proceed to add these values together. To use this shortcut, press Alt and the equal sign at the same time. The cells that should be added to the document are highlighted right away. To alter the selection, simply click and hold your left mouse button in any corner of the desired area. Then, drag the mouse to redefine the cells you wish to add up. To finish, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard and you're all set. Let's take a look at another helpful way to use the shortcut key to quickly add values in Excel. To begin, choose the cells that include the numbers you want to sum. Press the Alt key and the equal sign together to use the shortcut. After you select an area, the result will be displayed immediately in the cell directly below it. You can achieve the same result by adding up the values in each row. If you're looking for additional helpful shortcuts for Excel, check out Sheet Leveler's video tutorials for great tips. The tutorial instructions can be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.